Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'll be showing you how to do another exfoliating face scrub. This exfoliating face scrub is very good for during winter, and it's very good for those that has a very dry skin. So the ingredient I'm going to be using for this exfoliating are 3 tablespoons of baking soda, a pinch of turmeric. You can use cinnamon as well, like about half teaspoon of it. So, and 3 tablespoons of milk and a tablespoon of honey. So here I'm going to go ahead now to start mixing all the ingredients together. Yeah, that is all you need to do. Add this turmeric, add the honey, add the milk. Just mix them all together. Then I'm going to be using as well 3 capsules of vitamin E. So just open the vitamin E and pour the liquid inside the mixture. So yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing here. So guys, after putting all the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead now to use a spoon to mix the mixture to make sure that they are well combined. So while you're mixing, make sure that the mixtures are well combined, and if they are too liquid, go ahead and add extra 1 tablespoon of baking soda into it. So yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing here. So now I'm going to start applying them on my face. I'm going to go in with my makeup brush to apply the liquid on my face, because I don't like scrubbing my face when my face is dry. So I'm going first with the liquid with the makeup brush. After the makeup brush, I'm going to use the makeup cleaner pad, I think, or cotton wool, that is what it's called. So I'm going to use it now to start exfoliating the face after the makeup brush. So that is what I'm taking here. So I'm going to dip it into the mixture and take the real baking soda and the other mixture to start exfoliating my face with it. So use it to exfoliate your face like about 5 minutes in a gentle motion, just gentle circular motion. Then after using this the pad, I'm still going to go ahead to use my hand to do this. Yes, I'm going to go ahead to use my hand to do it. So here I'm going in with my hand to exfoliate them. So make sure you just use your hand to massage them again, like just go ahead and exfoliate them. It's very good, because after doing this, your face will feel so much better. So I'm going to allow them now to stay for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to wash them off. So here they are dry. I'm going to wash them off now. So after washing them off, I'm going to bring you back. So yeah, that is all. I've gone ahead to wash this off, and my face, I'm applying my moisturizer here. Just go in with your any face moisturizer of your choice, and that is all. This face mask helps to brighten your face, and it helps to get rid of dry skin. I'm going to leave the benefits at the description, so make sure you check it out. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.